I'm Mansoor Ansari with Nexus Tax Defense. Today we're going to take a Q&A on real estate investing. Our question is, how does Donald Trump save so much money on his taxes by being a real estate investor? Okay, so this is a really good question. And I like to address this by saying you have to give something to get something. Real estate investing works on two forms. One is depreciation and the other one is trading in real estate for other real estate. So basically, whenever you buy a building for, let's say, $1 million, divide that by 39 years, and that's how much of a deduction you're going to get every year. Now, the best part of that is you didn't have to buy the building cash. So if you can get a loan for 80 or even 90% of the value of a $1 million building, you basically get to take a deduction without even having to spend the money in real time. So somebody like Donald Trump will not buy a $1 million building. They'll probably buy buildings worth $300 or $400 million. Then you divide that by 39, and that's how much of a deduction he's going to get every year. Then secondly, let's assume you bought a building for $1 million. Then you turn around and said, I want to sell this building, and the value went up by another $1 million. So if you were to sell that building at $2 million, you would be paying long-term capital gains on about $1 million of that money. So what you can do, instead of spending that extra $200,000, you take that entire gain and you trade it in for another building. So essentially what happens is you have a built-in gain of about $200,000. So instead of paying that $200,000 to the tax man, you just took that money and bought yourself an even larger building. So when you think about real estate investing and its effects on tax dollars, you want to buy the most that you can and use it for commercial purposes, obviously not your own residence, and see how much you can save with that over time. I hope that helps answer this question on how Donald Trump saves money on real estate investing. Thanks.